For most people, going to the dentist is a terrifying experience, but there is a dental practice working to change that perception so you can achieve a gorgeous smile. This is Marie Athey. She is the Director of Operations here at Dental Specialty Associates. Good to have you back on Sonoran Living. First off, what makes DSA different than other Valley practices?
I think the dentist can be a quite terrifying, scary experience, and we try really hard to make it a personal connection. We have new patients call all the time that say they haven't been in years, or they're just really stressed out even about the initial appointment, and I'll tell people just to drop by. Just come by and meet us, say hi, see what you think, and then we can go from there. It doesn't have to be scary. We're normal people. We try to be as pleasant as possible. We know no one likes us.
Yes.
And make it as fun as we can.
Well, I can tell you that Marie said I can share with you, you also are terrified of going to the dentist. So you know personally how stressful this situation can be.
Oh my gosh, yes. I will say on TV that when I started working here, I hadn't had my teeth cleaned in probably close to a decade. It was one of those things where it's been too long, I don't want to, feeling judged, all of that. Finally had to get that in order, and even now to this day I love my doctors, and it's still petrifying to sit back in that chair, lights in my face, just waiting for something to happen or hear a sound. So I understand the hesitation and the need and all of those things, and we really make that part of our customer experience with our front office staff as well.
Absolutely. We've talked about this with you all before. Oral health is critical for so many reasons.
It is. It's a total systemic part of everything else. People think of their health and it's all of the things that could go wrong, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, but your teeth play such an important role in that. Whether it's, infection or decay or oral cancer or any of the things, where it can start in the mouth, you have to get it checked out.
Absolutely. Well, walk us through the patient experience. What will people expect when they come through the door?
Smiling faces, of course, and a lot of hand holding. We try to make the paperwork filling out process simple and easy. We try and make the insurance process simple and easy, and we try to just make it as if you're coming to any other specialty appointment where the care is there, but you're also amongst friends to where you're not feeling judged or put on the spot. It's very much, we know your name when you're coming in, we address you by your name. It's not just a hurry up, get you in, get you out kind of.
What are your thoughts, Marie, when people say, you know what, dental work is expensive, I don't want to invest?
Everything is expensive right now, and health should not be one of those things that we don't invest in. I think the medical field has the corner on insurance, so a lot of people think, well, my insurance is covering it, but we pay a lot for that too. So, your teeth, you may not pay as much in insurance, you may be paying a little more out of pocket when you come in. However, it's definitely worth it, especially long term. People think, oh, well, it doesn't matter, I'll just lose them all, and when I lose them, I'll deal with it then. But wearing dentures isn't always comfortable, and if you can prevent anything like that, we definitely want you to.
And you have a plan, you have plans for people here.
For sure, we have plans from, a discount plan that we offer in-house for people without insurance. We have seniors who have Medicare plans and they're not sure about that. We have someone we work with that can help them get dental through that. So there's lots of different options, and we try to give people as many as possible. People always used to think that dental school was the way to go. Honestly, they're more expensive, I've heard recently, than we are. So we definitely want to make it affordable and make people have the best care.
And finally, your stars of Dental Specialty Associates, Dr. Berger, Dr. Lillian.
They're so wonderful. Nobody compares. We've had other doctors on staff, but the owners are where it's at. They're amazing, and they take enough pride in their work. I tell people to put their names on the door. You go to a lot of places in town, whether it be corporately owned, and you don't know who the doctor is. It's some name on a door. These guys are going to take care of you.
Yeah, they're so passionate.
Yes, they are. We all are. We all love it here. We're one big family, and we just want people to come here and be part of that as well.
Yes, and they want to extend a special offer for all of you. If you mention Sonoran Living when scheduling an appointment at Dental Specialty Associates, you will receive 1 free year of enrollment to DSA's dental discount plan, which includes a complimentary exam and your first visit. That is a $200 value. Dental Specialty Associates has 2 Valley locations, Phoenix and Gilbert. Call 602-795-5995 to book an appointment or log on to dsaofaz.com.